Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through Claude versus GitHub, the ultimate comparison guide. So first of all, let's start with Claude. Claude is an AI assistant which is created by Anthropic. It is designed to help developers write and understand the code faster. So you can ask it to generate the functions, debug the errors, or even explain what a complex block of code does. Now, what makes Claude powerful is its ability to handle very large amounts of text and reasoning. So, it is excellent for reviewing the big projects or brainstorming the solutions in plain English. Now, let's take a look at GitHub. So, GitHub is world's largest code hosting and collaboration platform. It is built around version control, meaning that you can track every single change to your code base, roll back if needed, and work smoothly with teams. Beyond hosting, GitHub also provides the workflows for issues, pull the requests, and continuous integrations. And with GitHub Copilot, it also brings AI directly into the coding process by suggesting the code snippets inside your editor. So the main difference is clear. Claude is like a smart assistant that reasons with you in conversation, while GitHub is a workspace where teams build, manage, and deploy the codes together. Claude focuses on solving the problems and explanations, whereas GitHub focuses on the structure, collaboration, and project management. So, to sum it up, Claude is going to help you think through the code while GitHub helps you organize and share it. So which one fits better in your workflow? You can just share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more comparison guides. Thanks for watching.